In today's video, I'll show you how to hide game activity on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, select your profile icon in the top left corner, and then make sure you are in the section called User Settings from the menu on the left. Within here, choose Play Activity Settings, and then select the option called Who do you want to see your play activity, and set this to No One to fully hide it, or choose one of the alternative options. You could manually delete your play activity with the option below. That's how to hide game activity on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.